How to insert logo in Word document. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you how you can insert logo in Microsoft Word documents. Now here you can see I've opened up a page here. Now what you want to do is the process is quite similar and simple on both MS Word browser itself and on the app itself, so you can do it anyways. Now here I'll be showing you on the browser. What you want to do is click on the insert option that you'll find at the left hand side of the screen here. Simply click on insert and you'll find the picture option just below it beside the table option. You can see, simply click on the picture option and you can add it from your device, or if you have saved it on OneDrive you can save it, upload it from OneDrive, or you can add from stock images, or you can search from Wave. Now in my case I'll just add it from this device because I've downloaded it on my device, and here on downloads you'll be able to see I have a logo downloaded. Now I'll just be using this picture here as the logo. Now once you do this here, what you want to do is tap on the picture. Once it loads up, you can see it's loaded up. Simply tap on the picture, and then what you want to do is tap on wrap text option. You can see wrap text here. Simply tap on wrap text, and then you want to tap on in front of text. Once you do this, you'll be able to move the picture here and you can resize it. Now I'm just using this picture because I didn't have the logo downloaded, but if you have logo downloaded you can move it, and once you do it you can move it from here. This way you can add logo in MS Word document. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.